Hello everyone, it's Moses here. In this video, I'm going to go through the login template plan, which touches on the basics of the login template I previously worked on. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the login template. This is the follow-up video to someone who asked me on how I made the template, and I thought of putting it on the schedule and work on it. Alright, let's jump into it. So this is what we have so far. We have the login form, the main form, settings form, and the navigation form. So these are the forms that we're going to make. And we also have the on the tables we have a table for users, temporary table, and also the navigation table, which is going to hold the settings for navigation. All right. So when the program runs, we want our login form to show up first. So on our login form, we should be able to communicate with the table, the users table. So we're going to have a combo, and we're going to utilize the after update for that combo, and we're going to write the select query, which is going to select the name for the user and also the ID. So once the person select their name, they should be able to type the password. Now we are going to do the verification on the login button. We're going to put the verification of the password on the click event of the button. So the verification there is that we want to compare if password that is written here is the same as the one that is there in the users table for that user. If that is okay, then the person should be able to have access to the main form. And if it's not okay, then we should be able to give a warning that the password is wrong. Okay. The other thing that we're going to put on the click event is the update query. So the update query is focused on getting the ID of that person and putting it in the temporary table. So if the login is successful, then we're going to have that ID pushed into the temporary table for later use. Alright. Now when the main form loads, there are a couple of things that would want to happen. The first thing that would want to happen is that we want to have access to the ID that we have put there and use it to get the settings for the user that has logged in and load it on the main form. So what that means is that our table for users is not only going to have the name of the person and the password, but it's also going to have a couple of settings that would want to load on the main form. Alright. Also, we should be able to collect the information from the navigation table and display that information on the navigation that we are going to make. Our settings form is going to be designed in such a way that it's able to manipulate the users table. And the other thing is that we're going to have this navigation form as the sub form on the settings form. I've put it separately here just for clarity's sake. Okay, when you come on the key here, I've pointed out that E and F are auto update, and then I've put subform, which means they will not require us to put any button or anything. So whatever settings that we're going to put in the fields that are going to be available there, they are going to be automatically updated in the respective tables.